Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights on the best tools in the market. Today, we're diving into the DEWALT 20V Max blower, specifically designed for those who need reliable, cordless power on the go. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll explore why this blower stands out among the competition. The DEWALT 20V Max blower, model DCE100B, is engineered for efficiency and ease of use. It's a bare tool, meaning you'll need to pair it with a DEWALT 20V Max battery, sold separately. This handheld blower packs a punch with its lightweight design and powerful airflow, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Let's delve into what makes this blower a standout choice. With an airflow capacity of 100 cubic feet per minute. This blower is perfect for clearing debris from your workspace, blowing away leaves, or cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The 3-speed variable speed switch allows for precise control over the airflow, catering to different tasks and ensuring optimal performance. This feature reduces user fatigue during extended use by allowing the trigger to be locked in place, maintaining airflow without continuous pressure on the trigger. Weighing just insert weight, its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use and enables access to tight spaces effortlessly. To wrap it up, the DEWALT 20V Max blower, DCE100B, is a top contender in the world of cordless blowers. Its robust features, coupled with DEWALT's reputation for quality, make it a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful blower that offers flexibility and performance, check out the DEWALT 20V Max blower. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique.